Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Aries. So today it's gonna be very windy and the wind is gusting, and so we decided to fish at the night. So it looks like we can see the current. It's really tough wind, and yeah, as well it's big. It's high tide, but yeah, anyway, let's see how it goes. Let's see our luck. Let's try what we can catch tonight. So I hope it's gonna be a great night, even though the wind was so tough. So yeah, let's go and start casting. Yeah, let's see our first cast. There's a dugong in the meantime in the front of us. I can see it. I think it's gone, so I can try to cast now. Oh, it's really hard to cast in this windy weather. Big swell. Nah. Oh. Just current. Yeah, there's a little bit of bite. I hooked something. I just cast it. Something, but it doesn't look big. So let's see, 30 centimeter, not too bad. Small ones. There's a lot of small ones. Small ones. It's like around 250 though. But let's just put this one back. Wait for the big ones to come. This sugar is speeding at the moment. Yes. Something good. Oh no, I lost it. Yeah, I lost it. That's a big one though. Yeah. floating on it. Oh. Yeah. Another small one. There's just plenty of small ones here. Back. It's getting darker now. Haven't touched a bigger ones. No more bait, I guess. We got a decent one, maybe. Oh yeah, you got a decent one. Skippy, yeah, you got a skippy. Here, put it here. That's from the head up to the.
No, okay.
So it's 37 centimeters. Good job, Jaden. Here you go, Jaden. Come here. Here. Hold it. Wait for the bite. You'll feel a bite. You'll feel a fish pulling you. Wait for it. Is it pulling you? And you can do that. Lift it up, Jaden. You can do that. So he said he want to fish, so I give him a chance to fish. Come on, lift it up, Jaden. You can do that. Don't stop. If you stop, you lose the fish. You have to reel. Oh, good job. Reel. Good job, Jaden. Good job. High five. Good job. What's the size from it? It's 28. So you wanna bring that back because it's still small. You wanna get those 300 plus, okay?
Yes.
So yeah, you wanna release that? Move more on the water. Move. More. Cast it now. And run away from the water. Good job. Come on. Good job. Woo! This wind. It's gonna be hard for us. This already 5 times and yep. Got one. Some small ones today. This one looks good. And this one looks like about 300. Should be alright now with this one. Should be okay. 31. So it's good size, right? We can keep that one. Okay. Whew. one looks like 300 as well. 31 pass. Don't come close there, Jaden. So this one's 31 or 30.5. Oh, 31. So it's getting dark now, but at least we were catching some fish. Even it's too windy, swell's too big, and current was also a challenge. A lot of small ones. Yeah. This looks decent though. I think so. I think so. Yeah, it's a decent one. It looks like past 300. Woohoo! This should be good. Come on, Jaden. You can do that. Come on. Land that fish. You can do that. Good job, Jaden. You're doing good. Good job. Don't stop. Go, 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 go. Don't stop. Yeah, come back. Yeah, move back. Reel it in, reel it in. Good job. You got another one, Jaden. So tiny. You have to bring it back then. Oh, this one looks decent. Oh. Maybe. Yeah, it's a decent one. It's a decent one. Look like 40s. Yeah, it's a 40s one. Size is 39 centimeter. Don't stop. Keep going, Jaden. Don't stop. Jaden is always catching. Good job, Jaden. You're doing good. Do not stop. Reel, 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 reel. Don't stop. You can do that. Good job, Jaden. Do not stop. Keep on reeling. Big one, big one, big one. Good job. Good job. Don't stop, don't stop. Good job. Good job, Jaden. Well done. There you go. She got a good one. It's a good size. Look, it's a big one. Yeah, it's 35, 38, 38. Aha, aha, yeah. Woo! Big size. Haha! Woohoo! Yes, it's a big size. Woo! That's 40 centimeter. Yeah. Yeah, we were able to catch these big ones. They are 40s. These are like 43, and these are like 40. So yeah, we managed to catch even the weather is bad, windy, gusty, windy. Swell was really big, and then yeah, the wind's really so tough. So yeah, thank you for watching the video, and hope you enjoyed, and see you in the next video. timelines.